This keyless Schlage FE695 touch sensory lock makes everyday coming and going easier by letting you unlock the door with simple access codes instead of juggling physical keys. The touchscreen is well designed with illuminated, smudge-resistant numbers that stay readable in the dark and do not easily give away commonly used codes. Its cylinder-free construction removes the traditional keyhole, which not only looks clean and modern, but also eliminates a common point of picking or bumping. The lock runs on a 9-volt battery and includes clear low-power warnings and a backup jumpstart option, so you are unlikely to be stuck outside unexpectedly. Installation is straightforward for most standard doors, requiring only a screwdriver and no electrical wiring, making it approachable for do-it-yourself homeowners. Overall build quality feels solid and substantial, with metal components and a long-standing brand reputation that inspire confidence for both residential and light commercial use.